Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 18th. Greetings from Melbourne. Looking forward to being with my mates here shortly. Once I finish my recording here, because I wanted to get this out to you, I will be with them for the conference. Now, let's start out with these indices, and what you're seeing is kind of a mixed bag here for the S&P, but what I also want to point out to you is the Russell 2000. That market is getting stronger because of its components, which are smaller, medium companies. Technology got hit with some of the fundamentals that were coming out. Cisco had poor earnings, and we're seeing it reflected in the NASDAQ market. I'd look for a sideways move, though, in that market. I think that makes sense. The euro, also a sideways move. I'm not bearish on it here, but I do think it's going to be difficult for that market to rally with some of the things going on around the globe, including what's happening in Italy with their populist vote. And in the interest rate market, it's reasonable. I like the action that we're seeing. I look for really an unchanged to slightly lower type movement. I think the notes are right on target. Gold also, there's no reason for it to break further, I don't think. I'm looking for a market to establish a sideways move here. Also, I don't think the fundamentals are for a rally. Now, we did see that in silver. Silver did trade above its bullish level, and the magnitude change here is $1,000 in that market. I do not look for a dramatic move, though, to the upside. Crude oil, a sideways move to lower is what I'm looking for in that market. I know a lot of people are excited that we went above 72. I just don't think that's going to be sustainable. Natural gas traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $350 a contract, and I look for an inside type day in that market. Let's move on over to grains. And soybeans continues its march to the downside. We're seeing weakness in this market. I do look for continued weakness, by the way, not only in that market, but the other ags as well. If we look at corn, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change there in that market, $100 a contract. In wheat, magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $1,000 a contract. Looking for unchanged to lower, though, in both of these markets. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.